What if Cadillac went beyond crafting luxury cars and created a 5-star hotel on wheels, capable of cruising at 70 miles per hour? Today, we're stepping inside one of the most daring and groundbreaking vehicles ever built. And believe me, you've never experienced anything quite like this. The RV industry is about to get a major upgrade, and Cadillac is leading the charge. After years of rumors, Cadillac has finally pulled the curtain back on its first-ever luxury motorhome, set to hit the market in 2026. Combining sleek design, next-gen tech, and performance that puts some sports cars to shame, this vehicle is poised to dominate the luxury RV space. But what makes it so special? Let's dive in. Cadillac's design team has outdone themselves with this one. The 2026 motorhome features a bold, aerodynamic silhouette with sharp lines, a signature LED light bar, and a massive chrome grille that screams luxury. The low-profile roof and flush-mounted solar panels give it a modern, high-end look while improving efficiency. Step inside and you're greeted by a spacious, ultra-premium cabin that feels more like a penthouse than an RV. Hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, and ambient lighting set the mood, while panoramic windows offer breathtaking views. The modular furniture allows for multiple layouts, including a king-size bedroom, a full kitchen, and even a lounge area with recliners. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, lies Cadillac's all-new electric powertrain, though a hybrid option is rumored for those who want extended range. The base model is expected to pack a massive 200 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering an estimated 400 miles of range on a single charge. For those who need even more, an upgraded 250 kilowatt-hour version could push that to 500 miles. But range isn't the only impressive spec here. This motorhome is rumored to produce a staggering 600 horsepower and 800 lb-ft of torque, thanks to dual or even tri-motor setups. That means it won't just be luxurious, it'll be quick. Early tests suggest a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 6 seconds, which is insane for a vehicle this size. Charging a beast like this is no small feat, but Cadillac has optimized it for fast charging. Using an 800V architecture, the motorhome can reportedly go from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes with a 350 kilowatts DC fast charger. At home, a level 2 charger will fully replenish the battery overnight. Regenerative braking helps maximize efficiency, and the solar panels on the roof provide supplementary power for onboard systems, reducing drain on the main battery. Cadillac is also exploring battery swapping stations for long-haul travelers, though details are still scarce. This isn't just an RV, it's a smart home on wheels. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome comes loaded with tech, including a massive touchscreen infotainment system with over-the-air updates, voice-controlled smart home automation, and even an AI concierge that can suggest routes, book campsites, and adjust climate settings. Safety is top tier with Cadillac's Super Cruise, enabling hands-free highway driving, 360-degree cameras, and advanced obstacle detection to prevent accidents in tight spots. There's even a drone docking station on the roof for aerial photography, because why not? Now the big question, how much will this rolling palace cost? While official pricing hasn't been confirmed, industry experts predict a starting price around $250,000 for the base model, with fully loaded versions exceeding $350,000. That's a premium, but for the level of luxury and tech you're getting, it might just be worth it. As for the release date, Cadillac is targeting late 2026, with pre-orders likely opening in early 2026. If you're dreaming of hitting the road in this beast, start saving now. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome isn't just another RV, it's a statement. With groundbreaking design, blistering performance, and tech that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie, Cadillac is setting a new standard for luxury travel. Whether you're a full-time RVer or just someone who craves the finest things in life, this motorhome deserves your attention. What do you think? Would you drop $250,000 on this? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more futuristic car reviews. See you on the road!